So on your Spark homepage, the first thing you'll see are your social media formats, some templates, and your recent projects will be stored at the bottom. To create a new project, click here, and your options will display. I am going to select a video today because I mentioned that it is the most versatile format of Spark and any age group can create a video. Users will be prompted to brainstorm some ideas here if they'd like. I'm going to skip it. And then you can see some templates. So you can choose from promote an idea, tell what happened, a hero's journey, show and tell, personal growth, teach a lesson, an invitation, make up my own, or start from scratch. So Spark will always begin with a tutorial video of some quick tips, and I am going to play it for you because it does give you a nice overview of the features within Spark. Okay, so let's practice some of the features the video mentioned. So whenever you'd like to add a slide, just simply click the plus at the bottom of the page, and you will always be prompted to include either a video, some text, a photo, or an icon. I'm thinking of creating a video for my students who are home due to the school closures, so I'm going to click text and just simply type hello. Now if I'd like to have my voice heard and narrate, I just simply click the microphone button and hold it down. Hello. And release. And to add either a video or a photo, here are my options. If I have a video downloaded on my computer, I can certainly add it in, but I'm going to select a photo today. And you will see all of these options where you can pull photos from, and also don't forget you can always upload your personal photos. I'm going to use the Find Free Photos feature, and I would like to locate pictures of students. So all of these options will pop up. I can select whichever one catches my attention. And remember, the video explained that we can reorder our slides, so I would like my hello slide to be the first one. So let's build our second slide. So add some text, click on the plus, add another photo, narrate, I miss you all. To add another slide, text, add a video or a photo, and narrate. I can't wait to see everyone. So you have some options. You can leave it full screen as I have it. You can do split screen. You can add captions, title, and text. Remember that you can resize, so we can be on widescreen like we are right now, or we can go square. I'm going to return it to widescreen. We can add themes. So I'll just scroll through these. I'm going to just pick focus, nice and simple, and leave it on the blue. And my favorite feature in Spark is the music. So you can add some nice background music to your video to give it a particular feeling. So the music is categorized by playful, relaxed, rousing, thematic, thoughtful, uplifting. So I'm going to select an uplifting tune to send a positive message to my students. And the video mentioned that we can preview at any time, so let's preview. Hello. I miss you all. I can't wait to see everyone. So as you can see, it's very easy to put together a video that sends a very strong message. I can share this, I can publish it, I can invite others, I can download it. Spark is a very simple tool to make some pretty creative videos, posts, and pages, and I hope I've inspired you to use it in the future.